next tool is called the pen tool, and we're gonna go back to our logo right there. Okay, so we are going to use this JPEG. I'm going to turn that into a vector shape. And the first step I'm going to take is my pen. I'm going to click on the top of the logo. Right at this point, I'm going to click again at the bottom of this curve. I'm going to hold that and then drag out. You can see this creating a curve. I'm going to match the curve up to the logo and then release. Next, I'm going to hold it and straighten it out. Match my logo right there. I'm going to click down there at this point, create another anchor point. I'm going to do this very carefully. Okay. Now, we have a couple options. We can right click, say I will make a selection out of what that's your selection, or I can say I want to define a custom shape. So there's your shape and you can save it. It will be inside of Photoshop for you to use at a later time. And underneath the pencil tool, there's a lot of other tools you can use. However, if you go down there past the text tool to the path selection tool, you can take the path tool and then just move it around easily. You can use direct selection tool. If you click off the second time, and then you can change the path, anchor point, and then create something entirely different. What we have right here, and then we're going to go to the horizon type tool. Okay, so this is just basically you start typing and creating text right there. You can move around using the move tool. Okay, we're going to delete that. And next we have the vertical type tool, and exactly what it sounds like. So you type it, it's going to display vertically. The next tool is a vertical type and horizontal type mask tool. We tried this horizontal text tool right here, and we're going to hit OK. And as you can see, just make a selection in the shape of the text. So then you can go to our select menu, and then we can go down to transform selection, and that will allow us to move this around, and then you hit OK. And now we can do a couple different things. We can add a mask to this layer, or if we undo that, we can hit delete or backspace on our keyboard, deselect that, and you can see it's out of those letters out of the image. Okay, so the logo has that letter cut out.